Hi guys, Ancient Warrior. Welcome back to Prepping in Free America. If you like what you hear here, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be the first kid on your block to know what craziness I'm talking about next, hit the bell icon with all. And leave comments. I enjoy answering them. Don't have anything else better to do through the course of the week, so until the weekends when I go to work. Alright, Survive Anything brought up in my Get Home Bag Redo that I had not shown a way to boil water or cook. Folks, I live 8 miles from home, or I work 8 miles from home. So, guys, stopping to cook may not be an issue for me, but I do carry some of this stuff. Now, one of the things I carry, take it apart here, is a Swiss M71 cook stove. And you pull this up, light it, and then put the lid down to turn the, get the flame out. It comes equipped with a little stand. You know, it's got matches equipped to it, but it's got a little stand that sits here on top and allows you to put your cup or your... Now, I went back, that came from a company called Keep Shooting. I went back and they're out right now. I don't know if they're good anymore. I went to Amazon. I gave less than $8 for this. And let me tell you something, on Amazon it was 45 bucks. Don't do it. Do something else. Oh, wait a minute, I got something else here. Safety heat chafing. This came from Sam's. I bought 12 of these things. Actually, I've got 144, but that's beside the point. I've got 144 of these things. They're supposed to last 6 hours. I would only use it long enough to get your meal hot and call it good, and then get it shut down. You might be able to make it last, 12, 2 or 3 days, 4 or 5. But if you notice, the M71 cooktop fits right on it. Now, let me make a suggestion. If you're a prepper, you've probably got lots of cans of tuna. Get you a tuna can. Drill holes in the top of it so it heats up, and put it on top. That way you've got a flat surface to put your pot or cup. Now, guys, every one of my bags has one of these. Now this is a Swiss-made cup. It's a little smaller. I believe it's Swiss. Yeah, it's Swiss. It's smaller than the American cup. But you could fix a decent little meal here. Or just have a cup of coffee. I carry coffee crystals. Heat the water up, pour them in, stir it up, you're good to go. The other thing, now this sits in my other car bag. This is a mess kit. Now it's the French version. And the reason I got the French version is because I like the way they're built in the square. Now, inside here, I've got my utensils. But I carry an extra set in my bag too, guys. You know, being able to have a hot meal if you're on the run is important. Now, one of the things we're going to go back and do is we're going to do Basics 101 again. Because I was asked by a friend who caught me the other night at work and said, would you please go over the basics again about how much I need. So we're going to do that again probably in a week or so, because we're going to do it a little differently. Last time I was talking about calories. We're going to talk about how much stuff you've got to actually have in the house. So with that being said, folks, you've seen what I carry in my bag. Now, remember, it's better to have this equipment, not need it, than need it and not have it. I'm the Ancient Warrior, and we're out.